So in the last video, we pretty much added this link here and it made it that we could click on it and go to our YouTube profile. But remember I was saying that there's a better way to handle this. And the problem with this right now is link right now takes some type of URL, which is pretty much whatever web address you're going to, our YouTube page or whatever. And the problem with this is we're using this exclamation sign right here. And what this exclamation sign kind of does is it force unwraps whatever we're trying to use. So before we continue, let's just hold down on option and then click on a link here. And then if you look at where it says here that it accepts a URL, you see that this is just a concrete URL. Like it must be a URL. It can't not be there. It needs a URL. And because we know that, we're kind of just doing exclamation sign, and exclamation sign kind of force unwraps it. So if I remove this, you'll see that we get an error. And if we look at error, you see saying that value of optional type URL must be unwrapped to a value of type URL. So it's saying that how I'm doing this right now, whereas like I'm just putting in a string for URL is an optional type. That's meaning that basically it might be there and it might not be there. Now this might sound confusing at first. It takes some time to get used to it. So we'll do more so you get more, familiar with it. But for now, the best way to handle this is to say use like a iflet. So what we're gonna do is let's just put back the exclamation there sign there for now. And then we're gonna go up here and then we're gonna say dot if let, and then we're gonna say YouTube link. All right, and we'll say equal, and then we're gonna type in pretty much what we have here, which is this URL. So grab this, cut this, and you can just get rid of the exclamation sign here, and then just paste that back up here, and then do this. So what this is doing is, you see like how this would return to us, as I said, an optional value. What we want to do now is basically make it that it's not optional and that it's always there. So we can option click on YouTube link here, and you see that this is a concrete URL, like this is always there. So what we're gonna do now is, since we know that if you're inside this block here, anything inside these curly braces, then YouTube link is successfully unwrapped. And what we're gonna do instead is grab our link below and we're gonna paste it inside these braces. And then right here, we'll just put YouTube link where we have destination. Remember, YouTube link is now the URL. So it's looking like that. And if we run this, go up here, run this,